guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna pop two of my dumplings. This one is my sister, this one is mine. Go. Anyway, and it has this because my sister just don't want to clean it like, you know. Okay. First, oh no, first. 3, 2, 1. Oh.
No, like just pop it through the middle.
Like, wait.
No, like squish it. And then pop it like that.
So the plate was there for no reason.
You know.
Okay, so next time maybe aim for the plate.
You ain't even that for coffee.
Is she? Someone give me paper.
Nah, please.
Por favor. Por favor. Jesse. What? Yeah. Like learn the accent. Okay, guys. Look like it wasn't even like. I thought it was gonna be water. It's getting my hand. No, the thing. I wanted to pop them before I could get this. I wanted this. Ah. Oh, look. Nice now. Yay. Second one. Hope. I think it's made of the same thing.
Okay, pop it in the plate, bro.
Ah!
Valeria! You know what the plate means, right?
Yes, it's right here. What? Oh no! Hurry.
No. Go.
Hello, guys.
Yeah. Bro. Literally nothing went on the plate. Nothing. Not even a little drop.
I made this Valentine for Gloria. The dress I borrowed from Gloria to go with your pretty
Yes.
dress.
Look at this baby girl. Daddy said this is you.
Oh my gosh. Bro, I saw that on TikTok.
All over the house.
There's been some misunderstanding. How is these two only look like cats?
There's everything on the baby monitor. How can you say these things about my
So what do I tell
sister?
her? She saw it. TikTok or?
Gloria, wait! Ay!
I don't know how to see.
Fixing my relationship with Sonia the whole week. Because you think you're a sex machine, you're doing everything.
I'm sorry. I'll talk to her. Sonia, I'm an idiot. I jumped to some crazy conclusions today. Maybe I can say it's because of how
If you want to.
me feeling a little neglected. But I know you could never
Kiss me.
because you're my sister.
We hit it perfectly.
You're waiting.
We waited on that.
Okay.
I didn't want to fight.
Okay, guys, we're back.
What you doing?
Oh, okay.
Just looking.
Ooh, la la. Just kidding. And also, warning, if you have this, do not eat it. Kids. Baby kids, do not eat this. Because this is bad. Okay.
What?
Ooh.
Wait, how's the recording?
Jesse, this one doesn't work anymore.
No way.
Yeah, Kimberly, look.
You want to try my sandwich? Wait.
Yeah. Bye. Sometimes it can be old too. Okay, let me also. This one is baby one, but this one nah. I'm trying to mix it. I'm going to post a video to show you, but for now we're just gonna mix what happens. Mix it time. Listen, mix it time. Take off paper. Just this paper. Go like this. Go like this. Like this. So I guess this paper. Whoa. Whoa. Ew, ew, ew. Whoa. See. Look at that. Whoa. It's a bad foot. I don't know how to clean foot. Ooh. Oh, God. Good. Hello, guys. I'm going to show you my sister. Mix it.
Oh my God.
It looks like food. Oh, I don't like that. Like when you drop it. Oh. There's also a little bit.
What is this? What are these colors?
Yeah. A little bit.
How do I get it to start working?
Make it a little bit. Good. Put it everywhere. Then put it there. There. Or there. Oh. So if you W broke, you can start claiming. Look at this. Comment below what me and my dad cover up. That's the thing that I want to do. Me and my dad cover up. But I cannot do it live, so I actually have to do his channel. For me, I just have to do la. And then, no. God damn. Yes, I will.
Home is where you make all your best work. Back there at campus.
gonna give you some, guys. You're good. What? Yes.
No, thank you. I think we'll sit together after the amazing weekend we just had.
I'll take it. I deserve that seat. 3 days in the woods with Phil's ex-cheerleader buddies. Oh, stories, spontaneous experiments, constantly updating their Tumblr. It was a whole thing. Problem is, I was super missing. Phil thought I was having a great time. What do I want? When do I want it? Now. Hey. I'm sorry for this long discomfort. I've been in the woods for 2 days. I hate it. I'm ever in the woods with you guys.
So, anyway, I don't remember. So, wow. It was at 8.
Should I make it? Right away. I love you.
Okay.
I have to admit, I was a
Oh.
little miffed that Claire grabbed me this year, especially after I gave her such a magical weekend. But I was just going to the state park. And then it hit me. Everybody stops here. Okay. Is this straight? You're throwing a baby shower with
There we
nothing
go.
men and hair
See,
ties,
this
sticking
baby
nobody
shower.
knows nothing about this. I can't even finish the last word. So we decided to so our friend Sal.
We're gonna see you in the next video. Bye. Post it today in the night.
Missed the chance to shower with a bunch of men. Well, because it's two
Maybe.
different kinds of showers.
Dumplin from computer. Something like that.
As long as you don't wear an alcohol cocktail.
Okay, everybody's got your pearl. I'm still breastfeeding. Okay, just here.
Chocolate princess. I can't believe you guys